One of my favorites about this restaurant is that they made me wow with the food they serve. On the menu, it looked like a small plate and a few servings, but this didn't happen. Instead, they serve us a large plate with a lot of food, and it's so yummy. Thank you, Mita Pasta, not only for the delicious foods, also your good service. Thumbs up to you all.